As the season progresses, we will have melons, we have, of course, tomatoes, we'll have abundance of squashes, berries, raspberries, blueberries, more peaches. We just have a whole variety of things that happen during the summer. My name is Valerie Vaughn, and I am co-chair of the Liberty Park Farmers Market. It runs every Friday from 4 p.m. until dusk. It's a market to try and get the neighbors out of the house and into the community so they can see what's actually going on in their community. People can come and hang. They don't have to just run and shop and leave as quick as they can. We have a Market Buds program that's starting out for kids. Market Buds is a program to educate children on how to buy good foods. We have $2 food bucks that they can't pick up, and they'll go around and get food, bring it back, and then we'll see what we can do with it to cook it. And then they will also get a button, and they will also get a bag, which is really cute. We also have the SNAP program, and all of our farmers are signed up for the SNAP program. We have the concessions over there. It's just a nice place to come, walk the dog, walk your kid, buy some produce, and grab some food and sit down and have a picnic.